Audi and Volkswagen Direct Shift Gearbox DSG transmission adaptation using Autologic DrivePRO. Autologic's DrivePRO has an automatic adaptation function built in for the model used in this video. If the vehicle you're working on does not have an automatic adaptation function available, follow the manual basic settings listed in the video description. With the vehicle in park and the parking brake set, start the engine and allow it to idle. Identify the vehicle you're working on. Select Drive. Select 02 Transmission Electronics. Select Control Unit Functions. Select Adapt Direct Shift Gearbox. Press and hold the brake pedal during the entire process. The basic settings carried out during this process are noted. These may vary depending on vehicle model and year. Select Start. As the adaptation runs, you will hear audible clicks from the transmission. Select Next. 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 Once complete, follow the instructions for the test drive procedure. The test drive must be completed to finalize the adaptation.